Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at the little full transit courier van that I bought. It's been smashed in the rear quarter and down the passenger side. Yeah, let me give you a little look around it, show you the damage, and we'll go from there. Here she is. She's not looking too pretty at the minute. This is the one that I showed in another video that was covered in snow and dirt. They've done an awful job of removing the sign writing. Same again there and down there. It's reasonably clean for a work van. It's not absolutely smashed up. I haven't cleaned anything in here. The van's had a quick wash. That's about it. This one has done 85,000. Bit of tar and glue we'll remove all that residue from the sign writing, probably do that first. Little dent here in the wing, scuffed bumper, scuff on the front, I think that's from the forklift to be honest, from Copart. Another little scuff around there as well, nothing too dramatic. Awful sign writing and then the obvious damage. The door's mangled. Probably replace that. It's just far easier just to unbolt it and chuck another one on. The rear quarter, well, realistically should be replaced. Split in places as well, which doesn't help. I think it's achievable. I think it's doable, but it doesn't have to look naughty down there. I'm not trying to talk myself into it. I bought this van for myself. I was going to use it when I was bidding on it. I couldn't. The pictures were terrible. It was covered in snow. I took a punt. In all fairness, I didn't realise it was proper poverty spec. It's got keep fit windows and everything in this. It's still not a bad van. It's ideal for what I need. So it may well happen. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't made my mind up yet. This is the next thing in line, just to drag in and have a look. What my main intentions or plans were for today was to get it cleaned. So got it cleaned yesterday. My main intentions today was to remove the panelling out the back here. This wooden panel. Have a look, see what we can access at the back in the rear quarter. And see if we can try and push some of it out, make it a little bit better. I've got to have a think about what I'm doing because I might throw it on eBay as salvage, but it's not going to hurt us to unscrew the wooden board and try and make that look a bit better, even if I do sell it as salvage. I'm guessing some people would repair that depending on their skill set. Some people would chop it out and change the rear quarter. Either which way, it doesn't matter as long as it works for you. So my intentions for today were show you what I'm working on, obviously. I'm going to have a go. We're going to remove the boarding in the back of that van, have a little look at the sort of what we can get to on the rear quarter, see if we can make it look any better. I'm probably going to run around it in a minute with some tar and glue remover. Let's get some of that sticker residue off. I've just noticed there's a dent in the back door as well there, by the door handle. Yeah, so today's plan for this is we're going to try and make it look better than it currently does. If we can achieve that, we're winning. So yeah, first of all, I'll start off with a bit of tar and glue. We'll get this cleaned up and then we'll get in the back, we'll remove that panel and start mucking around with that rear quarter and see where we get to. See you in a moment. Right, as you just saw, it looks like Copart were paid to remove the sign writing, because it looks like they've damaged every single bit, gouges, and if I can show it, it's really hard to see, but yeah, everywhere where there was sign writing, they've absolutely butchered it, which is not good, but it is what it is. I've removed all the panelling, had to take off the whole lot, but we can see where the dent is in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set you up on time lapse here. I'm going to start trying to push a few bits out from the inside, see if we can make this any better. It can't look no worse, can it? See you in a sec. Well, there we go. Still very, very ugly, but it is kind of out a lot more. This was all punched right in below the door. Quite a lot of that came back to sort of where it should need to live. It's certainly a lot of work needs to be done still, but a lot of them in that tear's not very nice, can be all welded back together, but it's one of them. It looks better than it did when it came in, that's for certain. And the only thing that's upset me is where Copart have gone around this and butchered it. It's so hard to... These are like gouges out of the paint. I hope you can see that on the camera. It's so, I mean, I'm not bothered about the quarter, that's not an issue, but everywhere else it's so annoying because it's turned into sorting them two panels out to now having to do the whole van, and it's sort of, it's a game changer really, because I don't want to paint the whole van. That's not really what I wanted. I only wanted a van for me to bomb around in. This would have been fine. My little Fiesta van there, I've had it for, God blimey, nearly a year, something like that. Bought it off Facebook, that was accident damaged. They've repaired, they repaired it. I bought it as 95% repaired. Basically the front end weren't fitted properly. And they couldn't get it to line up and stuff like that. It's got a dent in the rear quarter there. It's a little Fiesta sport van, fully spec'd up. It's got cruise control, everything in it. It's a really nice little van. I love my little van, to be honest. But the problem with that is I can't even put a Fiat 500 bumper in the back. So it's ideal for commuting up and down from here, obviously ideal. But picking stuff up, nah. So that's why I thought this. If I bought this, I could, you know, chuck everything I need in there and it'd be ideal. And they're economical, good little van. But that's the problem with COVID and not being able to view vehicles. Normally, I'd go and have a look. We'd have a walk around, have a look at everything I'm bidding on. And like I showed before in the other video, this was covered in snow, filthy, dirty, black everywhere. Couldn't really, couldn't really see, so I ended up buying it kind of blind, really. In all honesty, if this weren't gouged out all the way around where the sign writing's been took off bad, I'd be fixing this, I'd be sorting it out. Whether I would fix the actual rear quarter now, how it is and try and put that right. I mean, it's not, it looks awful, but it's not terrible. It's the brace that's behind, it's broken the glue off of the brace. Once that's glued back on, it'll be quite rigid, and weld the split up down there would also help sorting it out and putting the inner arch back together. It is possibly repairable. I'm saying possibly because I'm not 1,000,000% sure. I'm no panel beater, as you lot know, but that is potentially repairable. But if for me, if I was going to keep it, I'd probably cut this out and put a new quarter in that, change the door, job's a good one. But where every panel, back door, other rear quarter, other door, every panel that's got that sign writing gouged out of it, I don't want to repair this, sort this door out, sort that wing out, paint the whole van. It's just not what I bought it for. So I think that is made my mind up now with the sign writing and all these gouges. So I'm just going to smash it on eBay as salvage and let someone else buy it. There'll be loads of people out there. There'll probably be people out there that drive this bloody thing like this now. It wouldn't surprise me. Some builders don't care. You know, they're not fussed. So it's one of them. Bit of a short and boring video for you today, but as always, it is what I'm doing, and I filmed it for you. As my normal regulars know, I'm not no pro YouTuber. I just film what I do. Some of you guys like it. Listen, I was chuffed when I got 100 subscribers, then it went to 1,000, then it went to 10,000, and now we're nearly at 20,000 subscribers. Most of you know I just film what I do, and some of you guys like it, some of you guys don't. It's one of them things. I never set out to be no pro YouTuber. I was actually searching for a video one day, and there weren't no, I couldn't find it. There weren't no information out there for a video that I needed to learn how to do something. I can't remember what it was. Something to do with painting. Sorry about the noise. There's a car reversing. I was just looking for a video and I couldn't find no information, and it got me thinking. I mean, I've learnt loads and loads and loads from YouTube. As most of you know, I never went to college or nothing. I'm self-taught painting, and it's always handy. And all these people that think you can't learn something new, they're just on another planet. You never stop learning regarding bodywork, painting, this, that, the other, cars, life in general. You're just going to carry on learning. It's one of them things. But with me and my channel, you're never going to have all of this, hit the subscribe button, buy my merch, do this, do that. It's never what I intended it to be. And don't get me wrong, I make a couple of quid from the adverts, which is literally nothing, and everyone keeps pestering me to do merch and stuff. I haven't got a problem with that. It's not an issue. I'm just not very good on computers. I'm dyslexic, and I haven't even got a logo sorted, so I can't even do things like that. I have asked a couple of people to sort out a logo, and they're just sending me Google generic logo stuff, and I'm not into that. If I want something done, I'll have it done pucker, and I'm the fussiest person ever. It's one of them. But yeah, I'll get round to it. I'm sure you guys would love a sticker or something like that. You know, some of you will, some of you won't. It's one of them things. We get to it. I feel like my channel's tiny. Like, I know it's crazy to some of you, and some of you will understand. Like, I watch other people, and they're like 5,000 subscribers. They've got merch, they've got this, that, the other. And fair play to them. Crack on. Like, that is great. Like, I'm really happy for them. And after people watch, I really enjoy watching. Marcus Hayes. I don't know if any of you watch him. He's a nice, genuine, down-to-earth guy. Loves his escorts. He's got a Mark 1 escort, Mark 2 escort. I've bought cups and stickers off of him. I'm putting sticker on my Mark 2 escort. I love his channel. I think it's brilliant. And yeah, fair play to him. Brilliant. It's one of them. But I'll get round to it. I'll find someone to do us a logo at some point, and we'll do that. But like I was saying, I'm waffling again now. But You're never going to get, this is a no BS channel. You just get what I'm doing that day. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. You won't hurt my feelings. I couldn't give a monkey's. I'm really happy with the support, the comments, and all the love that I get from this channel. It's brilliant. It's blown me away. And some of the comments have been so heartwarming, it's unreal. I showed my missus quite a few of them, and they were like, she was blown away as well as I was. It's one of them things. But yeah, it's cool. It's just one of them things. Tomorrow they'll be doing something different. You know, whatever I do is what we film, and that's it. That's what you get. So that's more than enough waffling from me. If you liked it, you liked it. If you didn't, you didn't. Either which way, you guys have got another video. As always, massive thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, because I know loads and loads of you watch that are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Now I'm kind of gunning for 20k just because I'm close and I want to get there. It's nothing to do with YouTube, it's just that I'm that close, and I thought, no, we want to hit 20 now. Now it's doable, I want to do it. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, hit that button. And as always, to all my regulars, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon in the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.